Hey guys, welcome back to another Crafty video. I'm the Crafty Gamer, and for today we're going to do another Pokemon TCG video. So today we're going to unbox the Tapu Koko box. I can't wait to see what cards are in this box today, so let's get cracking, shall we? Alright guys, so here it is, the Tapu Koko box. Let's get this one open. It's got three booster packs in here, the Tapu Koko promo card, and a Jumbo card in the back. Jumbo GX card in the back, so let's get cracking. Come on.
3 hours later.
That's the plastic on. Let's get this baby open. Right, there's the box. Hang on. Let's see, there's the cart right here. There is the promo cart. The Tapu Koko Holo. It is hollow, right? Yeah, there it is. It's got 2 moves on it. It's got Flying Flip, which does 20 damage for each of your opponents to each of your opponent's Pokemon. You'll apply weakness or resistance for back to Pokemon. Only 2 energies, so it's really decent. It's nice if you play this in a Tapu Koko deck and then swap in with Tapu Koko GX, or if you want to switch into another Pokemon, you can also use Ninja Boy, I guess, and train a card from Steam Siege. Anyway, nice promo card. I actually see some use and some decks. I'm playing some decks. Tapu Koko GX Jumbo, that thing is huge. The Jumbo card. Just gonna leave it right there for you guys to see. We got 3 booster packs. We got Sun and Moon with Incineroar, Sun and Moon Guardians Rising with Lycanroc Midnight Form, and Mega Alakazam Phase Collide pack. Let's do the oldest one first. So I'm gonna use the open up the Phase Collide pack. Hope we got some nice cards again today. Not really sure, but there is the code card. I'm not really sure what the card trick is for this one. I guess 3, 2, I think. I'm not really sure. I'm sorry if I messed this up. Coughing. Alright, Burmy, followed by Fullaby, Larvitar, Seal, Bent Spoon, Zygarde, 10% form, Chaos Tower, the Reverse Shuckle, and ooh, Holo Mew. That is a nice card. Well, that's the first Holo. Actually, first one is the promo card from Tapu Koko. So technically, we already got 2 holos. Next pack is the Incineroar pack, Sun and Moon pack. Let's open this one up. Green code card. Oh, hang on. There it is. So it's 3. Was it 3 and 4? I can't remember this one either. Oh my god, that was an energy card, right? Wasn't it? Yeah, it is the energy card. So 3, and then actually 3, 2. I think that was it. Skarmory, Morlul, Fomantis, Sparrow, Elima. I actually still don't have this one yet. It's actually the first one. Spinda, Araquanid, Picky Pack, a reverse rare Cloyster, and Masquerain. I think the Cloyster was actually more interesting than the actual regular rare in there. In that pack. So we got the last pack here, Sun and Moon Guardians Rising with Lycanroc Midnight Form in front. Let's see what we're gonna get in this one. It's a tentacle. Here is the unfortunately the code card is green as well. Here is the code for you guys. Psychic Energy, Tentacool, Helioptile, Petalil, Chansey, Field Blower, Marini, Clefable, Catheta, Reverse Rare Mudsdale, and no GX. Sharpedo, regular rare. I think the best card we pulled today so far is Mew from Fates Collide, I think. Let's check this one back. Here. There it is, Mew from Fates Collide. And I'm really happy with the promo card as well from Tapu Koko. Not sure where it is, it's pretty bent. Oh well, at least it isn't damaged. No. So we got Tapu Koko and Mew Holo, so I'm pretty happy with those cards. I'm pretty happy with my pulls today. And that was it for this unboxing, guys. Please leave a like if you liked this video. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. As well as subscribe down below if you want to see more content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay crafty, guys.